All right. Alex Zachman, founder, CEO of ONC.design, one of our favorite agencies because he's been through the gamut with partnerships, current partners, NetSuite, Bronto, Full Story, and some others. But you have been through every partner program and you know what it takes to build a service around a solution. You look at these solutions for their face value of, hey, feature benefit aside, what can I do for my clients using this product, and where do I fit in? So we want to answer the question of how does an agency look at each one of these products that we're going to show, and how do you envision yourself building a service around it? So I'm going to share my screen and we'll go right in, starting with SEO. So I'm going to move back here. We've got a few pulled up. Now, the first one I want to know about and what you would build on top is a product called Hike SEO. Alex, it is a audit plus backlog tool. But the cool thing here is if you have a bank of hours as an agency, Hike will allow you to plug in that bank of hours and gives you the prioritization of tasks from depth of content, obviously page issues, metadata, all that stuff that you as an agency can then start to go to work on.
Several things. One, when I was starting off, these type of tools are incredibly helpful in actually being able to provide SEO and do it in-house versus offshoring it or hiring another white label service. It lets me use probably junior level resources to help do some SEO, still have good quality, good value to my client.
Got it. So value add SEO, keeping the lights on and optimizing day to day using your retainer that you have. So each client will have a different retainer based on the hours that you have in the budget. You can go and prioritize all of this cool stuff that Hike provides. Now, adding to that, we are going into a different side of SEO, structured data, JavaScript rendering. So depending on what size of sites that you're working with, what types of sites, you may or may not know about this, but obviously it's becoming more and more important as an SEO to do structured data and JavaScript rendering for your clients. Alex, not doing a whole lot of SEO right now, but you work with some mid-market and enterprise sites that have a lot of JavaScript. This platform allows you to automatically show Google the right page, the HTML that the bots are used to reading, and then your page speed, all of the indexing, all of that great SEO is added instantly. Trouble with Huckabye, and I'll leave you with this, it is pretty out of box. Once you add it, Huckabye does the work. So for an agency, when I say something like Huckabye includes Cloudflare, works on larger sites, instant JavaScript rendering for search, what are some of the things that come to mind around services or value add that you think you can provide clients using Huckabye?
To me, this becomes part of the bat belt I take to an engagement when building out a site. I mean, our websites tend to start around mid upper five figures. Those projects are fantastic, but once they're over, they're over. Whereas if I, take something like Huckabye, bring it in with Full Story, Glue, Heap, I'm able to run some conversion rate optimization, make sure the page loads really fast. This allows me to very easily have ongoing engagement through web optimization after the website build is done.
You mentioned one of our other partners, Heap.io, in that. So your idea is to do a full web optimization, implement Heap for event analytics, product analytics, Full Story as well, if you need that, or in addition to, and run your full optimization using Huckabye structured data rendering and some of your other products. That's great. So that's a mid-market product service that works for any type of large site using Huckabye and some of your other data partners. Okay, now moving over to e-commerce. This is a big one. So background here is Gatsby, and I'm going to show one more, and I want to know in conjunction with what you think that you could do together. But Gatsby is micro-influencer automations and influencer automations, meaning as soon as an influencer is in your funnel and you know they're an influencer because Gatsby does the work on the back end and finds their influence score based on followers, status, all that good stuff, provides your system, your messaging system, that data saying, hey, you've got an influencer in your funnel. And Recart is a Facebook Messenger-based chat for your website funnel. Allows you to do cool stuff around retargeting Facebook ads, but chatting with customers using a window that they're used to, Facebook Messenger. So you have their Instagram handle, you know they're an influencer, and they're in your chat. What about that type of a funnel is interesting for you and for your e-commerce sites?
To me, this type of combination, and especially in the given climate, this is something I could take to the bank all day long. This is how I bring cash flow in to make the bleeding stop right now.
By the way, it is Shopify only.
That's honestly even better. I mean, like Shopify has their thing going on right now to get Main Street business up in like a week to 2 weeks. So this is part of a package to get you up and going and help you survive the next year of what's happening with COVID. This is a COVID recovery package with Shopify, Recart.
I love it. Okay, let's see if we can squeeze one last one here. We may have one more minute left. Video is huge. Obviously, there's a lot you can do, from the sales to the marketing automation to the client engagement and time on site. It could be as simple as that. So 23.net is a video hosting platform that's a partner of ours. We love their product. They also do webinars, but we're going to talk specifically about their video portal. So they allow you to create this awesome video portal, which is essentially like your own YouTube channel with all of the analytics, triggers, automations, who viewed what, for how long, when, hosted on a subdomain or a subdirectory, and get all that awesome data from videos, and then also be able to create cool call to actions in the videos to capture emails. Clipchamp is a really inexpensive but really robust competitor to Camtasia. They allow you to create awesome videos, pull in stock imagery, pull in all sorts of things that you need to create engaging videos, but also they have a new product that allows you to submit a blog post or article or some sort of a text, and they allow you to choose a voice which will read that text over your video. So now you have voice overs, and I've heard it is very, very good. So yeah. Clipchamp for the video asset creation, and then 23.net for the video hub to house all that content. What would you do for what types of clients using these two products?
Kind of curious on the pricing on the 23.
Competitive to Vidyard, which you might know. It's definitely one of those really robust platforms that allows you to do a ton of video asset management. $4.99 a month starting. If you want webinars, it's $6.99. Clipchamp is, I think, somewhere in the neighborhood of 40, but let me find their pricing page. But what comes to mind with these two tools and just being able to offer that video hub with all the analytics and all the cool things that you can learn?
All sorts of yes to Clipchamp. I want it now. I want it 5 minutes ago, actually. I think the blog feature, oh my God, like that is something that I want to use with all of my clients. It definitely helps to bring down cost a lot, helping to increase net margin. I think on the 23, definitely really great engagement for larger SMB mid-market, where we need a lot more analytics on who's using things. Kind of looking around, I think it does some interesting integrations. I think that has some power, not only from a marketing standpoint, but from like a sales standpoint, to understand who is using videos, who to maybe prioritize from an ABM campaign side of things, who to end up engaging with, or see who's engaging in your sales funnel. So if you can give data to your sales team of like, hey, this prospect is actively engaged, you can definitely help increase conversions and all that fun stuff.
Well, Alex, thank you so much for the time, and we will see you on the next edition of In Between Two Partner Programs. Thanks a lot, buddy.